You see, when you learn about the kit, when you look at the contents that our team has put up in the kit, you will find a tremendous change in your life. You do not have to worry. And one thing very important that I would like to tell you is that your relationship with yourself is the most important thing. I can understand that you are having problems, you have a toxic relation with somebody, but first, let me ask you, what is your relationship with yourself? Do you love yourself? Do you accept yourself? Do you accept your life? Right? So, from now on, do not think about the problem. Try to help yourself. And the healing will happen gradually. Our music therapy will connect you to yourself. Our mind activity will keep you engaged in wonderful activities and make your mind sharp. The physical activities will energize the whole body. So, go to YouTube and watch our Yaha channel, watch our videos, and download the kit on how to overcome depression. Whatever problems you are having, whatever situation you are right now in, do not worry. I guarantee that if you practice it, all the activities that I have given, you will come out of it soon and permanently.